afternoon. My name is Cuevas. I'm a student at Da Vinci Design High School, and this is my presentation of learning for integrated math. This is my homework completion chart. It I definitely did not complete all my homework, and why or why not? It's I did understand it. It's more of a matter of work ethic, laziness. I usually chose not to do it. It's not because I didn't understand it. I was just being lazy, so I didn't do the work. Take the time out to do the work, and free checks. I didn't turn it in. Did I understand it? Yeah, I understood the lessons most of the time, or the homework. The assessment flowchart. From here, I only did like one quiz correction out of all of them, and it reflects my grade because the quizzes were low scores, and then not doing the corrections didn't I didn't get those extra points for them, so the grades denied. What did or didn't I do to improve my grade? I didn't come in for office hours ever. I think I did once only, and I didn't ask questions because I don't like to ask questions because I feel like it makes me look like dumb. I don't understand anything, so I don't like to ask questions. My lowest ones, let's just go to the triangles and simulate down on the left, it's my, it was the original problem, the text quiz, and the corrected one. I did for the problem, I had to find the sides, the length of. I had to find the length, and it gave me these two, and I didn't know how to do the equation whatsoever. And then here I do. These two sides are congruent, so 2x plus 6 is equal to x minus 6. And then subtract 2x plus 6 from both sides. The 2 over the x's, they cancel each other out. And the 6 is on 12. And then those cancel out, the 2 6's on the other side. And 3 minus negative 2 is 12. So 12 equals 1. Here's the other one. The other original, and then the correction. I was supposed to find. I got half of it right. I got this one right, and then for the second part B, I redrew the triangle because in the correction you don't need the first triangle anymore. And then I didn't know how to find it in the original, and here it's a right angle, and then I'm trying to find variable 2, angle 2, and so the equation would be 90 plus m angle 2 plus x, which is the blank, equals 180 because a triangle equals to 180, and then these two angles are congruent and to an x are congruent. So you would subtract 90 from both sides, which would leave you with 80, and then since 90, and since they're congruent, you divide it by 2, and that would leave you 45. So both 2 and x equal 45. Analyzing this semester, what do you think I deserve as a grade? Probably an I, because I didn't do the homework or the course corrections. My current grade, so it stays the same. And then does it reflect your effort and knowledge? It reflects my effort for me not doing the work, but not the knowledge, because I know it, I just didn't show.
The last one was so important.
My name is Cuevas. I attend Design High School, and this is my presentation of learning for chemistry. 2B, which is on the periodic table and trends. First, let's just go to students will be able to explain how to relate the position of an element in the periodic table to its atomic number and mass. And this is for evidence. I use one of the homework packets where we had to label the elements given, and then we had to find out we had to write their atomic numbers, valence electrons, and that's all related to
the position on the table.
We learned about the position of them and what the types of elements they are on the table. We looked like metals, semi-metals, and non-metals. Some traits of an example of a metal would be iron, and traits of metal would be they're usually shiny, they're malleable, and they're conductive. So, and then semi-metals would be a semiconductor, and they're slightly malleable, not as malleable. And then non-metals would be, an example would be like bromine, and they contain no metal, they're dull, and they're considered insulators, and they're brittle. Students will be able to explain how to use the periodic table to identify alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens, and transition metals. bottom one is like the hydrogen, which is a non-metal, and then the middle light blue ones are all transition metals. The staircase shaped ones that are usually colored differentiated are semi-metals. The ones over on the right, noble gases, halogens, basically oh, the one second one, alcohol. Transit ionization energy, electronegativity, and the relative sizes of ions and atoms. Okay, we have students will be able to use the periodic table to determine the number of electrons available, and we learned about electrons and valence electrons through drawing Bohr models, and then we learned about the shells of the elements, the atoms, and then the valence electrons are the electrons on the outmost shell. For example, magnesium right there has 2 valence electrons, whereas I think it's argon at the top has 8, and then neon is a full shell. 8 valence.
Oh my god. I thought that he was specific. Thank you. Yeah. So cute. Yeah.
Thank you.
Any questions?
Okay. Do you want to